Zach, what are we doing actually?
We're going on a road trip.
Where to?
Kansas. Hawaii.
Going to Kansas City.
How is that?
This dude's eating pizza at 9:30 in the morning.
Oh,
Young breakfast pizza.
Is it breakfast pizza?
no.
Look how tired he is.
Sausage.
So tired. Alright, now we're on our way to pick up Hamza and then we're headed out to Kansas City.
Yo, it's still back there.
Hey guys, I'm chilling in the back seat. It's cold.
We're going like 70.
I hear
Man down, where you from?
Alright, for real, this time I'ma save this one. I got kids to feed.
Okay. Lamborghini Mercy.
30 minutes at the mall, that's all we did. And we just looked around. And we got food.
All right. I gotta get to Chick-fil-A and then we gotta go downtown.
Alright, we're downtown.
Look, mama hit my phone and said rap's no good. Better than telling me the check's no good. Now they wanna act like I do no good.
This is literally the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Alright, now we're done with downtown. But we're coming back here summer, I think.
the Union Station thing.
Alright, we're downtown Wichita. We're here at these railroad tracks. Alright, we climbed up the train. Is that sketchy? Look at that. That's mad sketch. This is so scary. That's like pretty far down. Rusty. We're probably gonna get stopped by security.
Hey, if you ever need, like another clip or whatever, you come over there and I'll let you shoot. Something.
Really? Okay.
I run this elevator here.
Yo, we just got kicked out. Alright, it is currently the next day. We didn't do anything yesterday. We were just... What did we do after that? We just went home. He's hanging on. It's so windy. All the trees are creaking. We're still going. Still on the adventure. It legit looks like we're in a Christmas tree farm where you buy your Christmas trees. I think we just took a huge banana turn. I think we just took a U-ey all the way around, and now we're back at the cemetery by the trail that we started walking on. What is this? There's like flowers and stuff. What if someone just walks past like really slow? Just straight up looks at us the whole time. What is that? I wouldn't pick it up, I'd kick it. That's that they use to lower them. To lower a body?
Like the attachment on the side, they bolt it into the ground and then they...
Oh! No way, it's a cemetery. Look. M-E-T-E-R-Y. Wait, I want to go look at the other sign. It's the continuation. I think this vlog's like everywhere. First part, we were just on trains. Abandoned trains, and now we're in this abandoned cemetery.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.